Last week in RV life, we had an amazing visit from some friends and an unexpected visit from a little small winged something.
I brought you some Peachy Beachy. It's homemade moonshine. It's not for sale.
In Florida, every time you open the umbrella, you're gonna get a surprise.
And this week,
Tammy guarantees there's no gators up here.
there's no gators. It's Florida.
When somebody didn't listen to Tammy and we ended up hitting a rock, you break it, you fix it.
I'm Tammy, and this is my husband Scott. We are two artists who, when faced with mounting health challenges, decided life's way too short. So we sold our home and most of our stuff to move into a home on wheels. And along with Gracie and Jasper, we've hit the road full time in search of new landscapes, experiences, and friends. We'd love to have you join us as we navigate our way through this RV lifestyle, and until further notice, our mission is explore, create, and inspire.
It's Reconciliation Day. We've got the part in to replace the panel that I crunched on the rock out front. Yeah, it's 100% my fault. Tammy told me to go the other way. I didn't do it. Hit a rock. That was months ago, back in October. So anyway, got a nice cool day and we're going to try and knock this out today. Running light on the side of the unit had to be removed. Now I'm going to go in and remove this top trim piece. The rock scraped along the bottom panel and it actually pulled out the bottom part of the rear panel just slightly. And what we're going to do is we're going to get some liquid nails up in there and I'm going to clamp it back down, and I've already determined that there's enough play in it. It's going to fit right back down perfectly. Alright, we got everything taken apart, and next thing we're going to do is get it out of here so we're not making a lot of noise cutting metal in the campground. Yeah, so Vanleigh, it's no longer Vanleigh, Tiffin Motorhomes shipped us a panel. Yeah, I think I called on Tuesday and it got here on Thursday, so very prompt. There's definitely people there at Tiffin to take care of your Vanleigh problems, so it's good to know. And we've had them ship us a lot of parts after we bought this rig, and for the most part everything arrives well crated and undamaged. 7/8. They don't provide you with a template, so hopefully I'm going to be cutting the holes in the right places. But I've got everything marked out here with Sharpie. The metal is wrapped in plastic already, which I'm leaving on to keep it from splintering as I cut. Got a metal fine cut blade. Fingers crossed that my guesstimations are somewhat accurate.
All I gotta say is Scott should be hired at the manufacturer because his cutting compared to their cutting is phenomenal.
All right, now that we're done making noise, let's put everything in the truck and head back to the RV and see if this stuff fits. So that goes in there. Okay, so we brought the panel back to the RV park and I'm slipping it into place, and it looks like it's close. We're probably going to have a few places that we're going to have to adjust our cuts. Scott and Tammy's Body Shop in business.
Definitely not. We're not for hire. This isn't very fun. But it is satisfying that we're doing it all on our own and saving money.
What rock? It's been a long time since I've changed the in-house filter. I'm embarrassed to even tell you how long. Embarrassed to tell you because I don't know. But I've been wondering, and I've been looking for these things for the last 3 months, and I had a tote underneath the RV, and that's where they were. So today I'm gonna show you how I changed that thing out. And don't worry, I mean, we haven't been drinking bad water. We use a Berkey. We wouldn't even be worried if we were pulling water directly out of the stream. I mean, because the filters are so dense in the Berkey. Now, when did we change the Berkey filters last? I don't know. So what we've got is, I keep my filter wrench right here. You can't do this without a filter wrench. You got to make sure the water is turned off at the valve and there's no pressure in there. Make sure all the pressure is relieved, and it's a cinch to get the thing opened up.
Babe, that is disgusting. Is this our black water tank or our water filter? Just keep in mind that Til Further Notice is not a how-to RV channel. It is a vlog. A real life, real people, really not knowing what they're doing vlog.
That filter needed to be changed a long time ago.
We're here at Rainbow Springs State Park Campground to pick up Craig and Shelley. Shelley's first time kayaking. We're gonna take her out on the Rainbow River. It's gonna be fun. But check out this. We've never been in this state park. It's beautiful. Look at their campsite. Look at their new travel adventure vehicle for photography. This is sweet. I would stay here.
What's up?
Are you ready?
Ready?
Come on. You got swim things on?
Not yet.
In case you get wet?
In case I fall off a board.
Are you gonna do a board?
Are you gonna do boards?
I would have brought the board.
We should have brought the board.
I'm not graceful enough for a board. I mean, I'm due any day.
I wanted to ask Shelley, is she excited about her first kayaking adventure?
Absolutely. I am totally excited. I don't know how I'll do, but I'm not scared. I've canoed, so I kind of have a little bit of familiarity.
With alligators?
Well, not with alligators, no.
It is close to mating season, so we're going to be extra cautious.
Yes.
But we've hardly ever seen them here. There's too many people playing and splashing, so there's lots of bait.
Yeah, it looks like a paddleboard guy.
Should have brought the paddleboard. He looks like he's ready for it.
Whoa.
Hang on.
Pushing the...
Way to hang on, Craig. Don't hit her in the head. That's what Scott does.
Hold the paddle, looks sexy.
Yeah, sure. There you go.
Sorry,
That's all right.
we don't have any kayaking etiquette apparently. They can walk from their campsite right to here, and they could even launch a canoe or float right from here, which is pretty cool. We got a nice trail through the jungle, and it leads them right to the river. It's always fun sharing these experiences with people who haven't done it yet. It's like you see it all new again through their eyes.
What's the name of this creek?
Indian Creek.
Look at what Shelley just did.
Tammy guarantees there's no gators up here.
There's no gators. It's Florida.
Just like being in Missouri.
Yeah, sure.
This is like Bear Grylls. Huh?
I know. Where will this trail lead us?
Can't beat this. This is real Florida.
Oh my god! It's too deep. Go. There's the gator.
What do you think, Shelley?
Oh gosh, this is absolutely beautiful back here.
Well, this is no slouch.
This is awesome. Good find.
Yeah,
Good find.
awesome find. Some people come to Florida for Disney World.
We come to hang out with the gators in the springs.
That's right.
Are you worn out?
I'm worn out. I'm tuckered.
Craig and Shelley, thanks for having an adventure with us. It's always so much fun to share firsts with someone, and it was their first kayaking.
And we got to discover that little side creek. What was that called?
Indian.
Indian Creek. And that was really special.
And we got to see about 4 river otters. They were so cute. There was a mama and baby.
Yeah, it was great to get out and have a little fun today because we are fixing to leave Florida. We haven't moved in a long time, so I'm getting the trailer hitch put on. I'm just going through kind of the pre-departure checklist, and Tammy's going to drive us there.
Oh, I don't even know how to back up, let alone tow an RV. This is going to be fun.
It's time to get packed up, shaped up, shipped out.
All right, you guys travel safe, and we'll see you around the bend, down the road. Some other time, some other way, some other adventure.